The water here is so beautiful. The most beautiful sapphire blue. James is doing something very unique. He made a... That was not a dive, that was a jump.
Okay, I'll try to dive.
Just go straight. You didn't even do it.
I did it! I did it!
Well, that was a good one. So I just got here for the Turkish bath.
I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye. Only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start. It's true. And life will smile to you. I say life will smile.
Good morning. We're up before afternoon for the first time. So it's around 8:30 a.m. and we have to be at the boat at 9:30, 9:45. So we woke up early, gave ourselves time to walk, get some snacks for the boat. Maylin and I got these hats last night. They were 250 Turkish lira from Soho, which is a really nice brand. So they're really good quality. So I did the gold because I'm wearing khakis, and Maylin did the white because she's wearing blue and white today. Okay, we just got all our stuff at the grocery store. We got our snacks. We got laundry detergent so we can do laundry later. There's a washing machine, but not a dryer. Can we go this way? Yeah. This way had the coffee. But I don't need coffee now that... Okay. I could use some eggs.
Oh, I could always use some eggs, some toast, Turkish delight.
So we stopped at this little restaurant right here by our boat, and we're getting some eggs and fries takeaway because we're hungry. We can't imagine waiting for lunch. So James is waiting to get the food, and we're walking to get registered for the boat. I told him we were coming, but we still need to pay. And it's getting close to that time. We are so hungry though, so we need to get something to eat. I hope we made the right choice. And I hope this guy doesn't mind us bringing food on his boat. I'm gonna let him know just in case. Hey, we're on the boat. We found a good little spot right here in the shade. Ooh, it's so lovely. We're off. We are starting to pull out, and I am laying down. I'm tired. James is working on getting us a rental car. Okay, we just got to our first stop. I slept the whole way over here. How long was it? Like an hour?
No.
No, you were asleep like 10 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna go swimming. Early pop queen, pop off. Yep, do this. Sheilyn's giving her dad modeling. But anyways, we get out of the water, and then there's these showers right here so we can rinse the salt water off. Let's go get in the sun now. Let's go get some sun. Making my bed. Very nice. Yay. So I'm drinking a little bit more Red Bull to try and help with my B12. I actually don't really like Red Bull, but I've been craving it like crazy lately because of my vitamins. It just goes down real easy. And Maylin is having a
Sex on the beach.
she ordered a drink called Sex on the Beach. I'm like, did you say that up there? It wasn't a big deal though, was it? It's a nightmare. Nightmare for moms. I want to take a picture of this. Look at how cool this is. You can see this tree, and there's fish hanging out down here around it. Okay, ready, set,
go.
Dive. That was not a dive, that was a jump. Oh, it feels great.
It does, huh?
Uh-huh.
Standing on the tree. I wonder if this is why they call it Tarzan Island.
Okay, we're gonna go in here and eat. Everybody's eating now. You hungry? Okay, let's get some chicken. We're doing the trifecta. Chicken, chicken, chicken. One for you, and for you, and One for me. There you go. Thank you. Okay, so these are all of my options. Thank you. The pasta. That's good. That's good. Thank you. That's good. Because girl's gotta have her bread. I'm gonna have a Coke too. Okay, so we're just sitting here. We came into the dining area to eat. We've got a beautiful view of the Tarzan tree, a gorgeous yacht beside us, a bunch of them. It's a really beautiful area. You can hear the locusts or something chirping in the distance. Can you guys hear that? The chicken is fire.
Good, huh?
I said it looks a little different. James said that's because it's a real chicken. I meant GMO, not HMO. We're not talking about insurance here. Okay, time to have some sun time. Or no, shade. Our bellies are full from our lunch. So we're gonna take another nap. We nap, swim, eat, sleep. Swim, eat, sleep. Right?
Yep.
Okay, we just got to our next stop. What's this one called?
Flying Bay.
And it seems like it's a little bit more on open, a little more open water. But it's still tucked in to this rock area. So it seems very protected. We try and dive this time. You might.
I'll belly flop.
Oh, you just gotta point your hands up.
I'll start like this. Okay, I'm gonna try to dive.
Just go straight down. Don't try and go out. Just go straight. You didn't even do it.
I did it! I did it! I dived.
So they're parasailing, and that is the whole parasail is a Turkish flag. It's very beautiful. We still get to do this one more time. Yes, there's 4 altogether. So we just did stop number 3. We still get one more stop. And our towels are nice and dry. There it goes. It's so nice. This has been such a great day. Might be the best. The water here is so beautiful. I don't know if you can even tell from here, but it's just the most beautiful sapphire blue. Okay, we've been drying off out here on these really cool lounge pads that they have, and it's 4:06. We are going to be heading back in probably about maybe 15-20 minutes, and then Maylin and I are going to go to our Turkish massage. So excited. I just want to get a video of this beautiful water one more time. So they just beat the horn. That means everybody's going to come up. Oh, the spot was amazing. I love the way this area looked, but I do prefer the areas where I can dive. And this area was a slight bit more shallow. We're cleaning our glasses and putting her hair up. Can't put my hair up anymore because it is short. Metropolis there. I just got here for the Turkish bath. This is the water closet. This is the hot room we go in. This is a very, very old school Turkish bath. Okay, this is the locker room. We are going to be putting our stuff in here, getting changed. They gave us this little cloth to put around our bodies over our bathing suit, and I will come back in about an hour and let you know how it was and what the experience was like. Okay, this is crazy. I've never done anything like this before. This is really interesting. Okay, so these must be like if we get hot, maybe we wash our face. Okay, let's go in this one. Oh yeah, this one like has a lot of water in it. This water is kind of warm. So here's like a whole drainage system. This is a shower if we overheat. So here is a table. She told us to lie on this table. That's what we're gonna do. And sweat. We're gonna lie here and sweat. And this is our view. So here we are. Okay, I just finished. Maylin's just about done too. We just finished, and I want to show how they tied your, like they tied it this way. We don't know how to do that.
No.
No, but it works actually really good. I've been tying it all wrong, but it was very nice. It started with was a scrub, what we would consider a scrub, like a salt scrub. They actually use like this glove that takes the dead skin off, and then they hose you off of that big table we were on, so all the dead skin, that sounds really gross, goes to the bottom. And then they did salt on me and coffee on Maylin, because we each opted to have, she wanted coffee and I want salt. And then after that, they did a foam bubbles. We were like big, we just went through a car wash. We went through a human car wash. That's what that was, right?
Very nice.
It was very nice. Like, I need one of these every day and I don't even have to take my own baths, but that's what a Turkish bath is. I was thinking it was more like a spa, but it's just a very glorified bath. They even washed my hair. Okay, we have finished our Turkish baths and our skin is all glowing, and we're walking down the streets here in Fethiye, not done up a bit. Nope. But we're very clean, and we're going to stop at that place we went yesterday for that hookah because it was so yummy and I want Maylin to try it.
Yeah,
So
I'm excited.
yeah, so we're gonna go there again.
That's not nice, Cat.
That one just isn't into the mood.
No.
Okay, we came back to this place we were at yesterday and did the hookah. We're gonna do the same one, the Lady Killer and Love 66 mix. It was so good. And we're gonna order some food. They have a lot of options here. Oh, we had this at that other place today.
Oh, yeah.
And it was made with beef. And then we ordered this last time. It was really good. Maylin wasn't a huge fan, so we might not get that. So I'm the big boss around here, so I'm gonna start since James isn't here. You fill your lungs in. We actually read about it.
You did?
Mm-hmm. But sometimes to get it going, you just do like little puffs. Yeah, you did good, but eventually you get big smoke. So I got pomegranate and orange mix. Okay, this is our margarita pizza.
Yummy, yummy. Enjoy coming.
Thank you. That looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna get me one too.
Mom!
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
I love a pizza with a lot of cheese. Okay, so then we also got this thing we got yesterday, but instead of roast beef today, it's got ground beef. James wants to try that one. Do you like this one better, or do you like the other one better? I think they're about the
I
same.
think they're about the same. I think this ground beef is a little bit more seasoned.
You think you like that better? Yeah. So we are having our Turkish tea now, and it's actually not too hot, which is nice. James is doing something very unique. He made a Thai Turkish tea. The guy thought he was crazy.
Didn't quite understand what
He didn't understand what he wanted, but you know how we like our iced tea in the South?
I was curious to see how it tastes when it's cold.
Oh, I bet it'll be good. This is good tea, right? Well, that was a good one. Okay, we're gonna head back for the night and pack up our stuff because tomorrow we are renting a car and we're going to Ephesus. We just got back to the room. I'm getting ready to do my downloads. I got yesterday's. I've been doing really good. Every day I've been doing my downloads. About to FaceTime the girls at home. Clothes are all hung up. We are getting everything packed and gonna try and get to bed at a good time. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.